Good morning, students. Today we are going to take the remaining part of 23 lesson, and lesson name is revision 4. It is related with our previous topic. The question is here, look here, identify the figures of speech in the following examples and explain them. Okay, we have to identify the figure of speech in the given examples. Okay, the first sentence is here, they waited in anticipation watching the clock ticking away. Okay, it is one simple sentence, and with that example we have to find that the figure of speech. Okay, look here, read it again and you can get the exact idea which figure of speech is used here. Okay, now they waited in anticipation watching the clock ticking away. Okay, here the sound is coming, ticking. Okay, clock sound, that means it comes tick tick tick, so it creates a sound. So basically this sentence are related with figure of speech onomatopoeia, because we know that the onomatopoeia, this figure of speech, that means we get the sounds. Okay, which sentence or a figure of speech related with sound, that is the onomatopoeia. So answer, it will be onomatopoeia, because this sentence show the clock ticking, that means it's create the sound. Okay, look here, and basically onomatopoeia, it is related with sound. Okay, so in this sentence here is the figure of speech, that is the onomatopoeia, and the word ticking, which word? Ticking, tick tick, like that. Okay, signifies sounds. Okay, signifies sounds. टिक टिक करण्याचा आवाज या याच्यामधून येतो, क्लॉक घडीच्या टिक टिक करण्याचा. आणि हे कोणतं फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे? ओनोमॅटोपोइया. ओनोमॅटोपोइया फिगर ऑफ स्पीच म्हणजे काय की ज्यामध्ये ध्वनी उत्पन्न होतो किंवा ध्वनीची माहिती सिग्निफाय केलं जातं त्याला. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज हियर, इट्स नेव्हर टू सून टू prevent, it's never too late to repent. Okay, look here, it's never too soon to prevent. Okay, and it's never too late to repent. In this sentence, look here, two ideas come together. Soon means early, and late means late. Okay, that means it getting time. Okay, so here you can easily understand the figure of speech. Look here. Okay, late and soon, these two words used here, two opposite words, so it is related with antithesis. Which figure of speech here used here? That is the antithesis. Antithesis means what? The antithesis figure of speech where the two opposite ideas explained together, two opposite ideas. Okay, contradictory ideas. Contradictory, that means opposite ideas. Opposite ideas of soon. Look here, soon and late. Soon and late, these two opposite ideas or contradictory ideas are written together. Okay, so you get the exact idea. This sentence related with antithesis, figure of speech antithesis, when two opposite ideas explained together, that time we can say that sentence related with which figure of speech? Antithesis. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेस दोन विरुद्ध अशा गोष्टी एकमेकाबद्दल सांगितलेल्या जातात तर त्यावेळेस अँटिथेसिस विरुद्धाभास हा अलंकार होतो. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड सेंटेंस इज हियर, आय एम सो हंग्री, कॉमा, माय स्टमक इज ग्रूमिंग. ओके, आय एम सो हंग्री, इट इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, एंड नेक्स्ट माय स्टमक इज grooming. Okay, grooming, which shows the sound, so it is related with onomatopoeia. Okay, grooming, that word, remember this word showing that the sound, so it is related with which figure of speech? Onomatopoeia, because in onomatopoeia the sound signifies. So onomatopoeia, that sentence related with onomatopoeia, this figure of speech, and the word grooming signifies sounds. And which word signifies sounds? That is the grooming. Okay, now the fourth sentence is here, a soldier dies an honorable death. Okay, remember this, a soldier dies an honorable death. It is one sentence, and we have to identify the which figure of speech used here. Okay, look here, in this figure of speech the transfer epithet. Epithet means adjective. Okay, adjective like that. The one it transfer the adjectives. विशेषता that means एका कडून दुसऱ्याकडे विशेषता ट्रान्सफर केलेली असते. That means it giving transfer. Okay, transferred epithet. Epithet means adjective like that. That a soldier dies an honorable death. Okay, transferred epithet. It is related with which figure of speech? Transfer epithet and the honor of the soldier's profession. Remember this. The honor of the soldier's profession is transferred from the soldier's death. Okay, the honor. Honor, do you get that? The honor, that means सन्मान. सन्मान काय केलेला आहे की सोल्जरच्या डेथची काय केलेलं ट्रान्सफर केलेलं आहे. Okay, are you getting that? The honor of the soldier's profession is transferred from the soldier's death. Okay, now the fifth sentence is here. Look here. We must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. Okay, look here, these examples we have to identify the figure of speech. Okay, we have to identify the figure of speech. Now in this example, look here, we must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. In this example you get the two idea. Okay, live and perish. These two opposite ideas come together. Perish means death. Okay, perish means death. Are you getting that? Perish, the similar word of that is the death. Okay, now look here, antithesis, contradictory ideas. Okay, contradictory ideas. Are you getting that? It is related with antithesis. Okay, when two opposite ideas, live and death. Perish means death. Remember this. Perish means death is equal to perish चा समानार्थी शब्द death आहे. Death म्हणजे मृत्यू. Okay, antithesis, contradictory ideas of live and perish. Perish means death and live means जीवन जगणे. Okay, live and perish are written together. In this example you can easily identify the figure of speech, that is the antithesis. When the two opposite ideas come together, okay, that time we can say that is the antithesis figure of speech. In this way you can solve that question. The remaining part of this lessons we will see in next video. Thank you.